As new information is released daily concerning COVID-19, 2 women are in charge of making sure the deaf and hearing impaired are informed here locally. News on 6's Amelia McGavro is live with more on how that community is being impacted by all this. Amelia?
Dave, and those 2 women actually translated for the city back on May's historic flooding last year. And so this year they have the very daunting task of relaying the ever-changing information about this pandemic to the deaf community in Tulsa. Now you'll notice 2 women are at each press conference for the city. KT Laughlin translates speeches in American Sign Language, or ASL, for Glenna Cooper. And then Cooper uses a more conversational form of sign language to relate to the public. Both are with TSHA. And they say they're grateful the city and the state are using translators. However, they say more needs to be done on the state, city, and federal level to share videos online and in hospitals. They say they're most concerned about the deaf elderly population who are isolated and don't have access to technology.
The deaf community is as fearful as you are in the hearing community right now. We have the same concerns, but our concerns are also about limited access, about the fact that once we would get tested, we wouldn't be able to communicate with our providers.
Now, the women say most hospitals and doctors do have translators for deaf patients, but some don't, so it's important to stay informed. They do say the CDC and CSD do provide ASL videos that are translated for deaf patients that you can access as well. You can find a link to that on our free News on 6 app. Reporting live in Tulsa, Amelia McGavro, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.